Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andri Maulana. I am from University of Pancasakti, Campus B. Today we will discuss about skill 9 is use noun clause connector correctly. Okay. What is this about non-clause connector? A non-clause is a clause that function as noun. Because the noun clause is a noun, it is used in a sentence as either an object of a verb, an object of a preposition, or the subject of the sentence. We will see the example is I know when he will arrive. When this is connector. Is when he will arrive is non-clause as object of verb. I know is subject, now is verb. The second one is I am concerned about when he will arrive. I is subject, am is verb, and when he will arrive is non-clause as object of preposition. When this is connector, is subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object is non-clause as object of preposition. When he will arrive is not important. And this case is when is connector in front, he is a subject, and he will arrive is verb, not important is noun. This is non-clause as object, non-clause as subject. The first example, there are two clauses. I know and he will arrive. These two clauses are joined with the connector when. When change the clause, he will arrive into a noun clause that function as the object of the verb now. In the second example, the two clauses, I am concerned and he will arrive, are also joined by the connector when. When change the clause, he will arrive into a noun clause that function as the object of the preposition above. The third example is more difficult. Is this example? There are two clauses, but they are little harder to recognize. He will arrive is one of the clauses, and the connector when change it into a noun clause that function as the subject of the sentence. The other clause has the noun clause when he will arrive as its subject and is of its verb. The following examples show how this sentence pattern could be tested in the structure section of the tuple test. Titik-titik was let caused many problems. We can see this sentence don't have a subject. From the choice, we must need a subject and connector. The choice is E. That is connector. He is subject. In this example, there are two verbs. Yeah. Okay, next. Non-clause connector. Non-clause connector is what, when, where, why, how, whatever, whenever, whether, if, and that. This is rumus subject verb non connector subject verb. I is subject, noun is verb. What is noun connector? You is subject, did is verb. This is noun clause as object. No, non clause as subject is rumus non connector subject verb verb. What is connect? What is as non connector? As you as subject and did as verb. And was wrong is verb. And this is exercise about skill 9. Uh, when the season start is determined by the winner. When is connector, the season is verb, sir is this is clause and this is correct. The manual how the device should be built. The manual is verb, how it is not connector. The device should be built with this sentence need connector. Number 3, the schedule indicate if the teams would be playing in the final game. Why the answer is correct. The schedule is subject, indicate is verb. If as connector, the team is subject, would be playing is verb. In the final is adverb. Is non-clause as object. The sentence is non-clause as object. Okay, next number 4. He refused to enter a plea could not be determined by the lawyers. Why the answer is incorrect? We can see he refused to enter. He is as subject, refused as verb. After verb, we must the connector. Yeah, this is nothing connector. Can use why he. Jadi so before he, we can use why to as the connector. Number 5. Talk about where we should go for lunch. Why the answer is incorrect? The talked is verb, about is preposition, where is connector, we is subject, should is verb. Yeah. This is sentence is minus subject. Can use we for the before the talk for the good sentence. Number 6 is why the condition of the plant, the pattern deteriorate so rapidly it was not explained. The answer is incorrect. Why? This is double subject. We must delete is it. Yeah. After we delete is it, we can good sentence. Number 7. Whether or not the new office would be built was to be determined at the meeting. The answer is correct. This sentence is non-clause as subject. The whether it or not the new office is closed, or this is would be built was to be the number 8. The, that the professor has not yet decided when the paper is due. The answer is incorrect. Double connector, we must add the clause. Oh, the sentence is uh, add the clause. Number 9 is the contract will be awarded is the question to be answered at the meeting. In the sentence, nothing connector can we use connector in the first sentence. Okay, the last question. He always talk with whoever he plays and did wherever he wants it. The answer is correct. Uh, he is subject, always is verb. Talk about talk with is clause. In hit with is connector. Wherever is and did whatever he's wanted. The sentence is object of preposition. Okay, thanks for me and thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.